I'm going to show you how to relink a single or multiple clips at once if you have media offline in Premiere. Now, as you can see, it'll just show you this error on your timeline. And the reason this happens is if you move any clips on your computer, change any file names on the clips. Basically, Premiere is super sensitive, so we're just going to have to relink our media. So how we do this is you can see in my assembly panel over here, there's a bunch of question marks signaling that the media clips are offline. And if they have this blue little thing next to it, that means it is actually on the timeline, but it is still linked offline and is giving this error up here. So what you want to do to actually fix this is you simply want to select just one of them, right click on it. You can do right click on one of these that are on the timeline as well, and simply click on link media. When you click on this, you can simply click on locate media, and it will actually search your entire computer for a file with the exact same name, which is the name right here. This is the name of the previous file, and it'll search for that exact file name just anywhere in your computer. And if it doesn't find it, that means you might have changed the file name, so you might have to manually find it just by scrolling through all of these folders on your computer right here, or searching for the file name that you know is the file name you changed it to, and simply click on OK once you've done that. And once it actually links, you click on OK, and you can see we've linked one file. But if you want to link all of the files at once, you simply select all of them in assembly, or all of them just on the timeline, and you right click on them, and you simply click on the media link option, and you simply want to click on locate. And once you do that, you just click on OK after it's searched, and as you can see, they're now all back online. Let's go. And yeah, it's pretty frustrating, but that's all you do to fix it. It's really easy.